Your wealth revolution starts now. Ready for a financial makeover? You're in the right place. This guide is your fast track to better wealth in just 6 months. It's time to take control of your money and unlock a future filled with possibility. We'll break down simple steps you can take right now. No more feeling overwhelmed by finances. This is about making real, lasting changes. Imagine financial stability, exciting opportunities, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. That's what better wealth can bring. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. Let's get started. You might be thinking, 6 months? That's right. You can achieve incredible things in a short amount of time with the right plan. This guide is packed with practical advice and real-world examples. We'll help you set clear goals, take charge of your spending, and explore new income opportunities. You'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Imagine feeling confident about your finances, having a plan for the future, and knowing you're in control. This is your journey to financial freedom. It starts now. Let's unlock your full potential and make those dreams a reality. What does better wealth mean to you? Is it a comfortable savings account, freedom from debt, or the ability to pursue your passions? Before we dive into the practical steps, let's get clear on your financial dreams. This is exciting. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. What financial goals would make you incredibly proud? Write them down. Visualize achieving them. This clarity is crucial for staying motivated throughout your journey. Now let's turn those dreams into concrete, actionable goals. The key is to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of a vague goal like save more money, get specific. How much do you want to save each month? What will you use the savings for? Make it measurable by setting a target number. Ensure it's achievable within 6 months, considering your current income and expenses. Your goals should be relevant to your values and aspirations. And finally, set a clear deadline 6 months from now. Think of your SMART goals as your financial roadmap. They provide direction and keep you focused on what matters. As you progress, celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Remember, this is a journey, and there might be bumps along the way. That's okay. What matters is that you get back on track and keep moving forward. With clear goals and unwavering determination, you're well on your way to achieving better wealth in 6 months. Let's make it happen. Ready to take control of your finances? It starts with a budget. Don't worry, it's not about restricting your life. Think of it as a spending plan, your roadmap to financial freedom. A budget helps you spend wisely and reach your goals faster. It's about making conscious choices about your money. Where do you want it to go? What matters most to you? A budget gives you clarity and empowers you to make informed decisions. It's the foundation of building wealth and achieving your dreams. The first step to creating a budget is understanding your current spending habits. Where does your money go each month? Track every dollar for a month. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Whatever works best for you. Be honest with yourself. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. This exercise is eye-opening. It reveals areas where you can cut back and save more. Knowledge is power when it comes to your finances. Section 3. Cutting back without cramping your style. Now that you have a clear picture of your spending, it's time to identify areas for savings. Look for unnecessary expenses. Can you reduce your entertainment budget? Are there cheaper alternatives to your daily coffee fix? Small changes can make a big difference over time. Challenge yourself to find creative ways to save without sacrificing your lifestyle. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Section 1. Unlock your earning potential. Time to thrive. Budgeting is powerful, but increasing your income can supercharge your wealth-building journey. You have unique talents and skills. Let's explore ways to turn them into extra income streams. This isn't just about a side job, it's about taking control of your financial future. Imagine more financial freedom, less stress, and the ability to pursue your passions. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and embrace exciting new opportunities. Section 2, Side Hustle Superstar, your skills, your income. Think about your passions and talents. What do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? Maybe you're a whiz at crafting, a baking enthusiast, or a tech-savvy problem solver. These skills can be turned into profitable side hustles. Offer your services online or within your community. Start small and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. The internet offers endless possibilities, from selling handmade goods to offering virtual assistant services. Get creative and explore options that excite you. Section 3. Freelancing, be your own boss, set your own hours. Freelancing is booming. It offers flexibility, independence, and the potential for high earnings. Are you a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media expert? Freelance platforms connect you with clients seeking your skills. Set your rates, choose your projects, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. No more office politics or rigid schedules. Freelancing allows you to design a work-life balance that suits your needs and aspirations. It's empowering and financially rewarding. Section 4. Passive income. Make your money work for you. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. It requires upfront effort, but generates income over time with minimal ongoing work. Explore options like affiliate marketing, online courses, or creating and selling digital products. These income streams can supplement your primary income and provide long-term financial security. Building multiple income streams creates financial stability and allows you to achieve your goals faster. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income grow. Section 1. Secure your future. The power of saving. Saving is the cornerstone of financial security. It's about making your money work for you, not just living paycheck to paycheck. Think of saving as paying yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for your future. Start small and gradually increase your savings rate as your income grows. Even small amounts add up over time, especially with the magic of compound interest. Saving creates a safety net, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses and pursue opportunities without derailing your financial progress. Section 2. Investing smart. Watch your money grow. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Saving is essential, but investing takes your wealth building to the next level. By putting your money into various investment vehicles, you can potentially earn higher returns than a traditional savings account. It's about putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. Stocks, real estate, and bonds are just a few examples of where you can invest. Don't be intimidated by investing. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become a successful investor. Start with simple, low-cost options like index funds or ETFs. These are great for beginners and offer a way to invest in a broad market without needing to pick individual stocks. These diversified investments offer exposure to a broad range of assets, reducing risk. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring more stable returns. Consider your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Understanding these factors will help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. If you're investing for the long term, you can ride out market fluctuations and benefit from compound growth. The power of compounding can significantly increase your wealth over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are crucial for long-term success. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, leading to greater financial security in the future. Section 3. Compound interest, your wealth-building secret weapon. This is the key to unlocking financial freedom and achieving your long-term goals. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It's a powerful force that can turn modest savings into substantial wealth over time. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your initial investment, plus any accumulated interest. Just like a snowball grows larger as it rolls down a hill, your investments grow faster as they accumulate more interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. Even small contributions can grow exponentially over time. Consistency and patience are key. Regular investments, no matter how small, can lead to significant growth. Think of compound interest as your secret weapon to building wealth. It's a tool that can protect and grow your financial future. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant it was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. The sooner you start, the more you benefit. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. It can magnify your returns and help you achieve your financial dreams. Start investing today, even with a small amount, and let time work its magic. The journey to wealth begins with a single step, and compound interest will be your guide. Section 4. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old adage holds true, especially when it comes to investing. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By doing so, you can protect yourself from the volatility of any single market. By diversifying your portfolio, you reduce the impact of any single investment performing poorly. This means that if one asset underperforms, the others can help balance out the loss. It's like having a safety net for your investments. This safety net ensures that your financial future is not tied to the fate of a single investment. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon when creating a diversified portfolio. These factors will guide you in choosing the right mix of assets. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized investment strategy. They can provide insights and recommendations tailored to your unique financial situation. Remember, diversification is key to mitigating risk and achieving long-term financial success. It allows you to navigate through market fluctuations with greater confidence. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments wisely. By doing so, you can build a robust and resilient portfolio that stands the test of time. Congratulations! You're well on your way to achieving better wealth in 6 months. You've set clear goals, created a budget, explored income opportunities, and discovered the power of saving and investing. Now let's talk about the key to long-term success: consistency. It's time to turn these actions into powerful financial habits. Think of it like brushing your teeth or exercising. These actions might seem small, but their impact compounds over time. The same goes for your finances. Make saving, investing, and tracking your spending regular practices. Consistency is key. Section 2. Overcoming setbacks. You've got this. Life happens. There might be times when you overspend, miss a savings goal, or face unexpected expenses. Don't let setbacks derail your progress. Remember, this is a journey, and it's normal to encounter bumps along the way. What matters is how you respond to these challenges. View setbacks as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach if needed, and get back on track. Don't be afraid to ask for help or support. Surround yourself with positive influences and celebrate your successes along the way. Section 3. Your success story: inspiration awaits. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You've achieved your financial goals, paid off debt, or built a solid savings foundation. How does it feel? You're empowered, confident, and excited about the future. You're living proof that with dedication and the right strategies, anything is possible. Share your success story with others. Inspire your friends, family, or community to take control of their finances and pursue their dreams. Your journey can be a beacon of hope, showing others that financial freedom is within reach. Be proud of your accomplishments and share your wisdom. Section 4. Your future starts now. This is your moment. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the power to create a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big results over time. Start today. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Your future self will thank you for it. Believe in yourself, stay focused on your goals, and embrace the journey. Financial freedom is within your reach. Section 1. Your wealth revolution begins today. You've got this. Remember those dreams you wrote down at the beginning? Hold on to them. Visualize them every day. You've now got the tools to make those dreams a reality. You understand the power of setting smart goals, managing your money, and growing your income. Saving and investing are no longer mysteries. You're on the path to financial security and freedom. Take that first step today. Then take another. And another. Keep moving forward, celebrate your wins, and never give up on your financial dreams. This is your time to thrive.